I think there's a lot of confusion on the vaccines with the different types, and you hear a lot of people say, well, there's been some bad side effects from the vaccines. I think it's good to do your research on the vaccines if you're unsure, to ask questions. You've got, most everyone has a primary care physician. It's okay to ask questions and become familiar with the vaccine. That way you may feel more comfortable about taking one. But you're not just protecting yourself. You've got to remember that you're protecting others around you who may be immunocompromised and who may very well die from the virus if contracted.
And I think what's important from what you said is talk to your physician. I think there's a lot of misinformation. It's very easy to get confused, but your physician or your medical professional is going to give you the best answer for you. So